Uh, I don't think. I think I didn't save. Sorry.
You
Uh,
didn't save.
yeah. Sorry.
You know you haven't done with it.
The first one, I still a bit confused, and then when I close it, I think I didn't. I didn't save it.
You didn't save it.
Uh,
You
uh,
didn't save the latest one, maybe lah. But you still have that project inside. You should have that project inside.
yeah.
But is it with the latest one? I'm not sure lah.
Yeah.
Because at the beginning, definitely you need to name.
Yeah. I should name it. I didn't. I just
Ah,
put it as web app 6 1 2 3 4 5 6.
you
So
just
I did.
you just use
Yeah.
default naming lah.
Yeah. I should name it this time.
You should change this.
Okay.
Don't get used with this.
Okay.
It's a good naming conventions.
Yeah.
So for this particular tool, you have how many questions there? 3 questions, is it? So 3 questions. Hold on. This is 2 questions only.
Practical 2.
So yeah, 2 only. So your both questions haven't done or what?
Yeah.
You have problems to understand how to do it or what?
I think it's my own problem. Cannot understand.
Okay, your own problem
Yeah.
cannot understand.
Yeah. I should
More
ask.
practice.
I should ask Noah and Farrer how to do it.
Ask you haven't asked, you haven't tried to ask any.
Yeah. My fault.
Yeah, ask before it's too late, because you after you submit the proposal, basically you need to know.
Okay.
Oh, Kelvin? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe for this practical, because Kelvin you haven't done with it, okay, try to ask Farah or Noel. And since Noel done already, have you shown me any questions already? No, for this practical too.
No.
Not yet, okay. So later on you present it, and you can start to the rest of you can start to do your practical 3. For Kelvin, I think better you solve your practical 2 first. Then only you go for practical 3. Okay, Kelvin? Name it properly, yeah? You can start with your practical 3. Okay.
Yeah.
So well, you can present your questions 1 and 2. You can demo show it to me. Kelvin, after you have done with your practical 2, you show it to me as well to show that okay, you have do something, you really try your best to Kelvin?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I have to start again.
Yeah, you should start your engine already, Okay. Yeah, now well you can present now.
Okay. Like this.
Try other colors. Green, blue. Okay, good. The next one, questions 2. Your traffic lights is working or not?
Okay.
Okay, good. Presentations, and then Farah, I think you show me your questions too again, Farah, later. Okay, show it now. Yeah, you can present it
Practical.
now.
Oh, okay.
The traffic light. I remember your traffic light is a bit. It didn't show the default image.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So Noel, you can continue with your practical 3 now. Kelvin, any questions you can ask? You can put inside the chat box, or you can ask Farah and Noel and me. I'm here. Okay, just run it, Farah.
Can see the floating. Wait.
But is it still running? Since I see in your form.
Oh, wait. I changed the presenting.
Okay. Okay, can see already.
This is the default,
Mm.
and then portion go.
You can exit it. Okay.
Okay.
Continue with your practical 3 as well. Okay, so you all please continue to do your practical 3 now. And this practical 3 is actually the button. And then you have to do some calculations. The length, width, height. So this one I just present the questions so that you can see it. Oh, questions not here. So for the first thing, make sure you turn on the options explicit and also the options tick for this practical. Okay. Otherwise, you'll get minor mistake lah. If you get minor mistake, it's very difficult for you to trace it out. Okay. So how to switch it on? Turn on the options explicit and options strict. Here you go to the My Project, and under My Project, under the Compile, options explicit and options strict. Make sure is both are on. For the questions 1, make sure you find the same thing, come up with the same thing, come up with the shortcut key, KSS, and give a proper image. Did I give you all the image here? Let me check. Did you all receive any image on this?
No.
No?
No, only the practical 3, the file.
Let me see whether this is actually need to be given to you all, or you can just get it from any Google, like you just Google it and get any of it. Yeah. Check this out. Oh. Okay. I'll put inside the Google Classroom later on this image. So again, once you have this, make sure you put it where. You need to know where you need to put it. Okay. And when the user key in for all this value, what you need to do. you need to, don't forget what I did mention, the lecture, whatever user key is on string. You need to do conversions first. Only you do your calculations. Apply formula. Okay, don't forget. Okay, and also you have to do some setting based on what in here. Okay, so you have to go through one by one. Then for the second questions, more or less similar like first questions. Then you have to design an interface, the user key in again, and then make sure if this is about the numbers, you are dealing with the numbers calculations or this formula, don't forget to convert again. Okay, don't forget to convert again, and make sure proper naming. Okay, not only with all the buttons, labels, text box, but also with your project. Okay, the project. Otherwise, it's very difficult for you to find out your own your own project. You don't know where to get it, okay? Or which one. Okay. Anyway, the formula is given, and but for the question 3, you have to design your own interface based on the questions come up. Okay, so now is your turn to create your own instead of oh, I think they give you design some more. I know this one is questions 4. Okay, so you can come up with your own design based on the questions given already. Okay, to see how creative you are lah. You can make it tidy, clean and tidy, or you can just make it asal ada. I don't know. So this one you need to see how you're going to design this interface and then make this work. Okay, and make sure you have to use the try-catch blocks for these questions and also the questions. If the questions ever mentions on the try-catch block, make sure you use it. Easy for you to catch what's the error there. Okay, and the questions 4. Again, did I give you the questions for the debugging skill in the practical in the Google Classroom? I will check later. I think this one I did load already. So again, for these questions, you need to find the error lah. Debug is actually in your debugging skill whether you can make this program and this form works properly or not. So you have to go through the set instructions by instructions again, step by step. Okay, see what you can design the questions 1 until 3. What error you can actually find out and adjust it for questions 4. Okay, so you try your best to answer that first or to do all these questions first. I will be here. So any questions? There, don't get silent there. Just alert me, call me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so you can start
Okay.
to do that now, okay. I will off my mic, so if you want to call me, you just voice out, it's okay. Voice out is faster. I can hear that. uploaded the uh yeah for your questions one. You can just get it from this classwork resources for practical. And then for the practical debugging skill, okay, we have practical 3 questions for there. This one I've uploaded since first or second week, first week. Okay, the practical student file debugging skill. Your questions for practical 3 is there. You can just get it from there. Your correct? Okay.
You're the king of my castle. Put your hands all over me. Let's begin a disaster. Don't give up on me now, boy. You can take what you want from me. I'm so ready to catch you. انت على بالي يا حبيبي لا تنساني لا انت على بالي يا حبيبي لا تنساني لا Take what you need, don't let me know no. You're what I need now. انت على بالي يا حبيبي
Class, any questions so far?
Standing
No.
Okay, Farah?
No.
Kavit?
No.
Okay.
Oh, Miss,
Yeah, Farah?
the picture we
Pic-
find in the, yeah,
Picture
the,
I already uploaded to the classwork, to the
okay.
classroom. Yeah,
Okay,
under the resources, under the resources.
okay.
in the heavy rain. I was someone I was not. Freezing cold, I follow the wind like an arrow. It will lead me to you. I'm lost in the summer. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Oh no no. I'm lost in the summer. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Oh no no. I'm lost in the summer. Walking down the crowded streets, I'm about to lose my mind. City lights are drowned in darkness. Your love is all I want. Freezing cold, I follow the wind like an arrow. It will lead me to you. Freezing cold, I follow the wind like an arrow. It will lead me to you. I'm lost in the summer. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Oh no no. I'm lost in the summer. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Oh no no. I'm lost in the summer. Trying to find you now. Lost in Istanbul, I'm here for you, I'm down. Can you heal my wounds? Lost in Istanbul, I just cannot be found. I'm lost in Istanbul. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Oh no no. I'm lost in Istanbul. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Oh no no. I'm lost in Istanbul. I'm lost in Istanbul. Counting stars, and my home was where you were. Washed away all the love of yesterday. When you came around, all my walls just broke down. What a treasure I found. Night by night we grew, nothing that I could do. My heart melted for you. Your love, your love, your love, love in every moment. Never ending story, you were mine. Oh, your love, your love, your love, love in every moment. Never ending story, you were mine. Love yourself before you're loving someone else. Wanting you is the worst thing I could do. When you came around, all my walls just broke down. What a treasure I found. Night by night we grew, nothing that I could do. My heart melted for you. Your love, your love, your love, love in every moment. Never ending story, you were mine. Oh, your love, your love, your love, love in every moment. Never ending story, you were mine. When you came around, all my walls just broke down. What a treasure I found. Night by night we grew, nothing that I could do. My heart melted for you. Your love, your love, your love, love in every moment. Never ending story, you were mine. Oh, your love, your love, your love, love in every moment. Never ending story, you were mine. Oh, feel so under. You're my thunder. I'm falling, I'm crawling, you don't care. Turn to pieces like a disease. Can't fight you, I want me beside you. Thunder like ooh, thunder like ooh, thunder like ooh, thunder like ooh. Every summer, same old drama. The sky is too close, I can't breathe now. Feel so empty, tears are plenty. I find it so hard to move on now. Ever wondered, did you bother to see what's left of me behind you? Now you're with us, it's just like river. But maybe this time won't be bitter. Thunder like ooh, thunder like ooh, thunder like ooh, thunder like Ever wondered, did you bother to see what's left of me behind you? Now you're with us, it's just like river. But maybe this time won't be bitter. Na 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 ooh, na 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 ooh, na 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 ooh, na 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 ooh.
Of nuclear attacks. Of nuclear attacks.
Class, so far so good?
Oh, okay. Just finish the question 1.
How to the try catch for the question 1?
Questions 1.
Oh yeah. I don't know how to code the try catch.
Here you start to convert text to input. Okay, from there you can start to try already. Try to convert it. Okay, to convert whatsoever key in by the user or calculations, your formula for this result. And you catch if they key in. So you can come out just a message saying that if you can try this. If you try to key in the character but not the numbers, then the text part should actually show some error message. The try part, catch part. Try part, you still have some more, right? You have calculations, right? You have formula, some more, right?
Oh, that one also included.
Yeah, you just include. So which means that you try this to convert, which means that you just convert whatsoever key by the user, everything okay, you continue with the calculations formula and do your display. Only catch and show the error if that's sentence or character key in by the user, then this message box should show some error message. Okay. So your catch part seems like message box that show invalid error. Okay, but which means that you didn't show any for this result part. Is that your result? So hold on, I show the questions again so that you know where I'm mentioned about. Okay, so suppose when you ask, you can see the questions 1,
Yeah, can.
Okay, so suppose you ask for these 3 parts from the user. So when the user key in something back, which is numbers, then you can continue your formula within your try block there. Okay, within your try until you show the label for this volume, the correct calculations, the correct result. You start to catch. You catch it in something which is not numbers. Yeah. And instead of just to show the message box there, you can also show something here. Which is not the result, maybe the not available. The key in here, the input here is not correct for you to do your calculations. So your try part there, you should continue some more. So you have this try. I back to the chat part. Okay. After you have this part, your try part for the convert all those text to the numbers, you follow by formula and display the result for this column. Will be your complete try part. Okay. The catch part.
This code I put outside or inside the sub.
You just continue after you put the DVL width equals to double dot pass the DXC width. You can just continue with
Oh,
double display. Okay, that's for the catch part. You can also include the label for the volume. I will just put inside the tab. Label for the volume equals to something like not applicable. You have at least you show to the user saying that there's an error for your input. Then now your result in label volume is not applicable, available, something like that.
oh.
So you improve from there. Improve from there. This one. Okay. Actually, just our normal practice, normal procedures, normal process. Everything you put inside. Try.
Miss,
There's
can
just a catch for the error. Yeah.
can I present?
Okay. Okay. You can present it.
I missed the P2 question 2, the image. How do I stretch it? So does it just leave it
P2 question.
the image? Yeah, the image.
Why? Image. What's your question?
Is it possible to stretch it big and small like that? Resize it.
Can adjust your property there. Size mode. If you want to make it cover up a box that you choose, picture box that you choose with the image, you have to stretch.
How do I?
You select the image and you go to the properties, find size mode.
Size
Find the
mode?
size mode. Okay. Find your size mode.
Where's size?
There's a list of the selections there.
Oh. Is it?
Then you choose the stretch image.
Oh,
Right?
okay, found it. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Well, your
Answer.
something.
This one is inside the sub. Is it?
Yeah. Inside, how come you have twice?
Which one? Twice.
Then you have twice.
This. Oh, so this one. Delete.
Oh, can you hear me?
Okay.
Can you all hear me?
Okay.
Okay, just now I suddenly lost my connection. So, which means that you have twice conversions. So, suppose your line 8, from your line 8, until your line 60 should be inside try block. You got it?
So. Cut.
So you can throw away the 9 to 19, 20, 21. You can throw it away the repeated ones. Huh?
So like this.
Hold on, I cannot see your you mentioned like I cannot see any changes.
So
Maybe you throw the okay. So okay. catch. Okay, under the catch, you can also put in the label volume text. You can put not available other instead of just put the message box there. So which means the user can have a clearer display when you run it later on. With the wrong input, you try.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
I try this.
You type this and later you run for one round. I would say you just continue to share it. Don't stop your sharing. Okay, you run it, you key in something.
I put
Okay,
A.
this is A.
I put A on the height.
Okay.
You can see.
Calculate.
Oh. Okay. Generally.
Oh, here I can't see the changes. So no. See, you have press on the calculator. Yeah, this is what I mean. So at least you have something display on your volume level there. Okay, and with the error message box
Oh. Okay.
in the wrong I catch block. Okay, whatever suppose it's actually you whatever you want to do. Okay, you put it in under the try.
Oh.
Then whatever possible errors you put it under catch.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. So in this case, when I look into your code, can you stop it now? Exit it.
Okay.
You can exit it. You can use the message box already. So for the volume text, volume, you put the max dot round. Oh, you round it in this way. Okay. So another way you can round it. I just put inside the text checkbox.
Oh.
Another way you can it's kind of decimal places. So, because you are using LD, I will just keep your name. Volume dot text goes to your volume. Okay, volume dot to string. Then you can put it in this way. And when you put it in this way, it will straight away give you. Oh, sorry for the text. So when you put it the 0.00 straight away, it will give you 2 decimal places later on. Without you do the math start round for that double volumes to 2 lah. That's another way. Doesn't mean that it's wrong. Your way is okay also. It's only that I just provide you with another way.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this one. Okay. Can delete this one.
Which one? If you have that, so it means that your line 19 can delete already.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Linking. Oh, hear me clearly?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Maybe just now almost lost connections at time. Lagging already. Okay. So practice this type of try-catch block for other questions.
Oh. Can I do?
Yes. Using this way, easy for you to trace out where is the error.
Thank you.
Okay. Right, you have done with your questions one already. Did you do your try catch in this way as well, Sarah?
Oh, I just come back and do the try catch again.
Oh, which means that you didn't apply the try catch lah. You do it normal way, is it?
Yeah.
Now for the try catch part is actually you just include your normal calculations. Just okay. Whatever error that you think that user might come up with, you put it in the catch. That's it. Normally it's just you insert. You have initially put into try, then add one catch. That's it. Oh, you all make sure practice more on this try catch. Huh?
Okay.
So you adjust it later on, and then you show me maybe later or next week lah. Okay. Any questions from your side?
So far, no.
Owen, any questions?
I just finished the practical.
You already all the questions?
I finished the practical too.
Questions in practical two done.
Uh,
You present your screen.
oh wait, and this can.
Hold on a minute. Sometimes
Can you see?
you try to, yeah, I can see already. You can try to what run it. You just run it. Okay, I just from there. Okay, start it.
Yeah. Then enter this and
Okay.
clear.
Okay, I wonder the rest of you can see result table, result, the output.
Cannot.
Huh? Maybe you adjust a bit. See the forms that you run now. You only can see the design part.
Okay. Oh wait,
Yeah. Okay.
let me. Try again. Like this can.
Yeah, can.
Like,
Okay, so this is questions one.
then enter.
Display. Yeah.
Then
Okay.
can clear.
Okay.
And exit. Like that.
That's first question, second question.
Oh, this just.
Yeah, good.
Just,
Doing great.
yeah.
Strong
Yeah.
last week.
Last week
Strong.
the color, when I write the color, they keep getting me error, so I need to redo it. So now okay already.
Color.
Yeah, the
Okay already.
color give me error. I don't know why it got error, so I need to redo, I think.
You're still doing the same thing, but it works.
Yeah, do the same thing and
Yeah.
then it works again. That's why I stuck at practical too. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Good progression. So continue with practical 3. Okay? Yeah. You see the try catch, Kelvin? on Noel's presentations.
What?
You see the try-catch block from presented by Noel just now?
I didn't pay attention. I was doing my practical.
Okay, never mind. Oh, you always can refer back to the notes, okay, for the okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you're continue. Huh? I'm still here. So any questions, please ask. Huh?
Miss, the question two, I don't understand the formula.
Questions too?
Yeah, the formula. I don't understand. Is the sum already a value?
So maybe already with run for so many times. So which means that for the first run, if you enter 23, your sum should be 23, average should be 23.
Oh,
One time key in only. So if second time you put in 23 again, your sum should be 46 second time. When you run okay, average you will divide by 2, again
Oh.
23, something like that.
Okay. Category.
Like accumulate, okay?
Okay. The input can be in double or only in integer.
The question specifically say what's the input for what's the type? Did the questions ever mention that?
No,
Any instructions on that? Huh?
he didn't say anything.
Anything can be integer or double.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
in the exam, how would they test us?
Exam
Yeah, how do they test us?
for the coding.
Coding.
Hmm.
Will we need to submit uh, our projects when we do exam, or is it
Projects.
or they just ask question, we write the code only?
Yeah, normally is ask the questions and then you code it, something like that.
Because the code is
Yeah,
only
yes.
for only
So
for
which means that
one button at a time, like that only.
with one questions and then ask you to design it. So
Design
what kind of setting they instruct you to set? Something like if they give you some instructions, you have to follow the instructions to do some setting properties. If without all those setting, you have to the marks will be deducted, lor. Can
Mhm.
see from the result if you didn't put it. Okay. So like, functions also they may ask you something like you to come up with functions to return something, functions to display something. So in coding wise,
Will
because
they
if you
will they ask us to find error like that also?
may have also may have also but
Okay.
in the real situations, you all will know the questions earlier than me lah.
Okay.
But this kind of questions, I foresee this kind of questions will come out lah.
Okay. Oh yeah, Mister. The question one, do we need a group box? Miss,
Please come again. Questions one on what?
the all the length, width, height, and volume. Does it are they all in a group box?
It seems that they are in the group box.
Every time we see the line, it's in the group. It's a group box. So
Ah.
assume it's just a group in a group box.
Yeah, maybe they will those related info or details together lah.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So for the what Kelvin is now for the final exam, I'll try my best to get one sample lah from KL since KL is actually having this course SEM, and last SEM definitely is a final online assessment lah. So I will see the pattern of the questions, see how they come out. I can foresee that still mostly for the coding statement lah.
Since we don't have tutorial, right? So it's
Since you don't
hard
have
to
tutorial, yeah, I can.
hard to
Yeah, I know your difficult. Yeah, I know that how you feel.
Yeah.
So I'll try my best to get a sample to see what are the questions that I come up with.
Okay.
More or less will be like programming. Okay. Once I get it, I think I will. I will share the questions once I get it, but not so soon because or maybe I will treat it like you all do your revisions to answer these kind of questions. But once I get it, I will mention what kind of questions that may come out. Last sem, that one that was for the last sem lah. Okay.
When we do the question, the word formatting must be correct. Must be accurate. Like the length must be like the length there and must be bold or when the format is Times New Roman, must we also follow? Or can we just skip?
So this one is a sample for you. Okay, a sample for you, but make sure you follow as much as you can for based on whatever instructions given. Those instructions given, you can have freedom lah for all those design.
So if they didn't say need Times New Roman format and then size.
No. But good practice, good practice that we have gone through in chapter 1 or 2, the good practice, normally what form, the applications they use. So all those kind of good practice you have to follow as well for the user friendliness and good design.
Okay.
Also good, class?
Yeah.
Okay. So for Noel, did you apply the try catch block for questions 2? Since you have done already questions 2. Well,
Haven't.
haven't,
Haven't.
I thought you have done questions 2 already. You mentioned in the chat box.
Yeah. But I
Did you
forgot.
apply the try catch?
Okay.
Did you apply the try catch?
No.
No, apply it, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. How about Farah? Questions you are doing
So,
now? Questions you
oh,
are doing now?
the questions too.
Questions 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Kelvin?
Still doing the calculating, puzzle coding.
Okay. So make sure you check back the message from the chat box there to give you some idea lah, Kelvin.
Idea? What?
Check the chat box there to give you some idea for the try
Oh.
catch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The question one need the error checking.
I ask you to check the checkbox. There is some. You can find some hints there. How to do the try catch. If you cannot,
Optional. Optional. Or
it's
optional.
not optional. Based on the questions, you must use try catch.
Oh, the question got asked
Yeah.
to use, right? Where?
Part E. Part E.
E calculate. Or
The not there.
okay.
Yeah. Whenever you deal with this, so I know by not using the try catch, you still can get the result correctly. But now questions ask for it, make sure you use it. This is a very good practice actually.
Okay. Should we use public or private to declare the variable?
How to declare what variables that you want to declare?
The volume, the length, width, height, and then volume. Should they be public or private? Either can.
Okay, public or private, that's the access modifier. Where you can access this variable. So in this case, you are only deal with one form. Definitely no public is needed.
But if I use public, still can work.
Use public as the variable.
Yeah, if I
Won't
use
accept, you won't accept to have the public under the private functions.
I just ask if I use public or private, the no difference are the answer for this question.
Yes, I can answer that. If you say the difference between the public and private, the meaning is like your global or local variable.
I
So
know.
you need to have that or not, up to you. But I can say that since you are dealing with one form, it's not recommended.
Yeah,
So you
now
normally use just a dim to declare that.
just a dim. So all three
There
can
you
use.
go.
All three can use, but just not recommended. Just the dim preferred that. But if I use private or public in this question, it's still okay.
I think you all maybe a bit confused with the public, private, and dim.
I know that I know the function. I just say if I can use all three, still okay in this question, because this question very small. Just one
Depends
form.
on where you locate your private or public declarations, if you want. Concept wise, yes, acceptable. But depends on where you put it. It's a bit different. And private declarations inside a private functions, it won't work for you. That will be error. Because inside of private functions, definitely you must use a dim declarations. Okay? If you put it outside functions, private
Public.
functions, just right under your public class, blah blah blah. Once you load the file, that's the public class. Okay? So then you can put either private or dim there.
Just the location
what's the
difference.
difference?
Just location different only.
Yeah, location different affect a lot. Affect a lot.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe you all still can just continue to do that. It's 11 already. Whether you want to continue or not, it's up to you. Next week, okay, hope you can complete all the questions. Okay. So try your best to apply, especially the try-catch. You use another way rather than normal way that you use. Just like we use online new norm. You use a new norm too. New norm way to come up with a program. Something like that. Yeah. So I have no questions at this moment.
Hi, Noel.
Let me check. Noel got COA class.
Oh yeah, we got
okay.
class. We got another class now. Okay.
Hi, Noel.
Okay,
Good morning.
I will see you all next week. Okay.
Oh,
Your word.
okay. So
Okay.
we wait
That,
for
bye.
it to finish first lah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. Don't worry. We can wait.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay, you can leave the room now. Bye.